Hello. Um, Welcome to Entrepreneurship. I want to apologize. It is 4 o'clock and I'm just now getting around to making this because today has been crazy. I meant to make it this morning, so my apologies. I wanted to go over a few things with you in our class. Several of us wanted to take this class face to face, and that just didn't really work out. So I've got a couple of things to go over and to offer you a once a week virtual meeting for anybody that wants to join. It is not required. Keep that in mind. But should anyone want to join, starting next week, I will offer a once a week virtual class, and you can join if you are able or if you want to or anything like that. And so anyway, when you log into Blackboard, you're actually going to see what I'm seeing here. And I'm trying to scoot my screen over, and it's just not working out real well for me. There we go. When you log into Blackboard, this is what you're going to see. And there's three really important areas. One, start here, which is actually where we're at. There's a little video to show you how to work through Blackboard if that's something new to you. The syllabus, which also includes the course schedule. The 2 books. You've got 2 books, and I'm going to show you what they look like right here. One, if you're also going to take small business management next semester, keep this because I use it in both classes. And the other one right here, we're not going to use this one for 3 or 4 weeks, so you've got a little bit of time before you need to buy that one. Next is the course agreement form on the list. You're going to read your syllabus. I'm going to go over a couple of things that's in the syllabus here in just a minute, but you need to go back and read it. Once you've read it and you understand everything you need or have asked questions for everything that you don't understand, you come in here and you do the course agreement form. That is due on Sunday, the 30th. So keep that in mind. I'm going to click on the syllabus real quick, and I want to go over that with you. So let me get this pulled up. And in our view, there you go. My office is in BTC 228. I don't have my office hours set yet, but as soon as I do, I'll give them to you. Email me anytime you want to, regardless of what time it is. If I can answer it immediately, I will. If not, I will answer it as soon as I can. I check my email all day long. Now, some days are better than others. Let's be serious. I had only 10 emails waiting on me when I was in the parking lot this morning when I got here, and by the time I sat down after, unpacking and all that good stuff, I already had 30. And to be quite honest with you, that's a low number. There are mornings I get here and I have 100. So I will empty my inbox every day. Email is probably the most important form of communication with me. Email me anytime you need to. Don't ever hesitate to do that. Also, I need you to check your email every day, because if I need to get a hold of you, that's about the only way I've got. So please start checking your email daily if you haven't started doing that already. What I'm going to skip to, hang on, where's that? Accommodation policy. If you are a disability student and you need accommodations, please reach out to the disability office, and that information is listed here. I can't really help with accommodations until you've talked to them first, so take care of that first if you need to. Like I said, go back and read all of this on your own for me, but I want to show you where the course schedule is. It's right here. It's broken down by week and then topic, and so each week we'll have various things to do, and I'll show you where to get to that. So you actually go to course content in our Blackboard shell, and you'll notice that week 1 and week 2 is already ready for you. So you've got a couple of things to do this week, and I'm going to give you a list of things to do every single week. There should be no question about what I'm asking of you, but by all means, if you do have a question, you reach out and email me. It says, read the welcome message, download the syllabus, complete the syllabus or course agreement form, locate my own biography, read my biography and then reply with your own. I really want us to get to know each other. Online classes are kind of hard. Also, we're in the middle of a freaking pandemic. Let's get serious. Life is just different right now. So let's get to know each other the best we can, and we'll get started a little bit next week. So biography, syllabus, get your books, all that good stuff this week, and then get ready to start working next week. I'm not a big fan of late work, but I'm going to shoot you real honest here. Again, it's a pandemic. Life happens. And I really want you to reach out to me should something happen. If you test positive and you have all the symptoms in the world and can't get your work done, holler at me. I just need an email. I just need you to keep the lines of communication open. That's what's important here. Don't make me guess about where you're at. As long as you email me, if something happens and you're like, it's Sunday and I'm just not going to get this done, can I turn it in tomorrow? Holler at me. We can talk through it, okay? I want us to do well, and I want you to succeed. And if you'll just keep the lines of communication open together, then we will do that. Next week, we're actually going to start in chapter 1, and we're going to talk about ways to find business opportunities. If some of us came to this class, we've already got a business idea. Some of us don't have a clue about what business we want to open, run, or anything like that, and that's okay. Next week, we're going to talk about finding new opportunities. So I'm looking forward to it. Email me. Don't forget to do your course agreement form. Don't forget to post your biography, and don't forget to go get your books. I am here anytime you need me. So please let me know. And I really look forward to working with you this semester. So talk to you soon.